So for world religions information, we have some great places to go. I really would start by using from our online resources page that you should be able to get to from any of your Schoology pages. This Gale in Context High School has several reference resources that will really help you with your world religions. So basically, once you're in Gale in Context, for example, I would always start with your very general overview of the religion that you're doing before you even break into your holiday. And you'll see that with Judaism, Hinduism, Islam, they will have main information pages. So they'll kind of give you a breakdown of the major holidays, origins. So you can see all through there terms you should know. But what is nice to see is on the other side, then we have access to the World Religions Reference Library. There's just sometimes fun facts. They give you related articles. But then you can get in here and within you can find these holy days, rites and traditions. And then you can actually even break down into very specific subjects within it. So at any rate, so I would definitely suggest starting here with the Gale in Context High School as a great starting point to get some general information.